Yes, hello traders, how are you guys? And so I just came online, so let's we discuss that. I want to discuss
Yes,
that
hello traders, how are you guys?
that have you taken any trade on gold on 15-minute chart, because you can see a big drop that we have seen today on gold as well. So that's a big drop, and I had a sell signal from the alert indicator, and this signal came to my mobile as well. Uh, because if you go to the tools option and go to the tools options and look, I have set up the notifications here, and you can see that it's a big drop. Okay, so who has taken a who has taken a trade on gold? Any one of my guys who has taken the drop, then they can let me know, because gold has went very good down into the downward direction. So basically I had a sell signal on the 15-minute chart, and I have set up this indicator on this 15-minute chart so that we can have very good signals. And going to the Bitcoin, so guys, you can see that the previous signal that I had on a Bitcoin is the sell signal, and you can see the market is going extremely down after this signal. So guys, this indicator will let you in the form of alerts, and you will be coming to know about the market directions through alerts. You can set up the alerts on your mobile phone as well. I will again explain it later. And let's talk about the Ripple currency here. So if we talk about the Ripple, we had a buy signal perfectly, and Ripple has moved into the upward direction with no problem. Going to gold, as I have explained, the sell signal was here. Euro USD, no signal right now. Okay, if we talk about Great Britain Pound USD, that was fine. If we look at the 1 hour chart, that was, I had a buy signal and I triggered the trade in the morning on the buy signal. And going to the 15-minute chart, and if you look at the 15-minute chart, so guys, we had the sell signal on Great Britain Pound USD. So overall a very perfect signal here. Okay, right now I'm onto the USD CHF 1 hour chart that has moved up after that buy position, buy signal, but switching my chart to 15-minute for my ease. Okay, so rest of the charts are on 1 minute, right, 1 hour right now. So want to switch back to 15 minutes so that I can get maximum signals for the next day. And guys, you can see sound is coming because when I switch my chart, so it alerts me about the ongoing signal. So that's why I'm getting the signals as well on my mobile. Okay, now you can see that we had a sell signal on AUD USD 1 hour chart, and you can see with the beauty that AUD USD has pumped down. Okay, and these arrows does not repaint. Going to switch back to the 15-minute again, so you can see a very big drop appeared. Okay, I want to switch my all charts to the 15-minute. Look, a sell signal is here. Going to on the 1 hour, guys, you can see we had a sell signal on AUD Canadian dollar, and the market is extremely down here. Okay, the sell signal again come for a Great Britain Pound USD. So right now I think so there was some news, because we have seen a lot of volatility in the market. And even if you look at AUD CHF 15-minute signal was the down, and the market is already down. And going to the here, and you can see that this is going to be into the downward direction. Okay, and what else? So let me switch my other charts to the 15 minutes, because I forget some charts to appear on the 15 minutes. So I'm setting it up right now. Okay, so Euro JPY, I want it on 15-minute, and Euro New Zealand on 15-minute as well. Okay, and 15-minute on Euro New Zealand, Euro Canadian dollar as well. Look at the here. You can also use this indicator on the 1 hour. The 1 hour I had a sell signal on Euro Canadian dollar. Look at the beauty, how well it has dropped, and that was a perfect signal from our side. So the indicator was telling you very good example that the market can go down, and the market already went down. So now I'm switching my charts to 15 minutes so that you guys can see the latest signals in front of you. So setting up it on 15-minute. But guys, please make sure that if you go with the trend, then it will be very good for you to understand the market. Okay, so always follow the trends, that's are more important. Okay, right now I'm here again. Okay, and at last I have set up it on New Zealand JPY. Okay guys, now let's compare the all signals and let's see what the next signal is coming. Okay, the next signal that I has received is Euro AUD buy. So going to the Euro AUD chart, you can see the buy signal appeared, the market is pumping up. However, there is a lot of volatility into the market right now. It is a clear picture that there is some news going on, that's why the market is pumping up. Okay, Euro New Zealand, I am getting a buy signal, so I am going to the Euro New Zealand chart here. You can see the buy signal is here, the market is pumping up. So basically it is telling me about the signal, that which signal is going right now. So this is the ongoing signal, however the arrow was appeared before that. So this will tell you about the ongoing signals as well. So this is the beauty of this indicator, that you will be getting the notifications on your mobile phone as well. If you go to the tools option and then you go to options, enable push notifications, put your metacode ID here, and you can find your metacode ID from the MetaTrader that is installed in your on your mobile phone. So you will be simply getting the signals here as well, and as well as on your mobile phone. Okay guys, now you can see the frequency of the signals that I am getting. AUD JPY sell and AUD CHF sell. So let me open the AUD CHF chart. Okay, so you can see the sell signal appeared. Now the market has chances to go down. However, I have just switched my charts. That's why it is telling me about the trend that is ongoing right now. So basically I was on the 1 hour chart before. That's why it's now updating me with the previous signals. So once I will be getting new signals, then you will see that from here, for example, if I get a buy signal, then you will see that the buy signal will appear. So basically right now it's telling me about the previous trend that was going, because I was on to the 1 hour chart on maximum appears. So that's the problem. So if you set up it on 1 hour, then the results can be exceptionally very good. And if you want the signals of in higher frequency, that you want that the signal should come to you in a very big number, then you can set up your all charts on the 15 minutes. Now look at my end, that if you look at my end, then you can see I have set up maximum charts from the cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ripple as well, and the other one that's gold on the 15-minute chart, Euro USD on the 15-minute chart, no signal on this one. Okay, Great Britain Pound USD, the previous signal was sell, and USD CHF, the previous signal was, I think so, buy, because I did not have a recent signal. On the USD JPY as well, no recent signal. So it will give the signal only when it will be very sure about a particular trade. So a buy signal was running on USD Canadian dollar, NZD New Zealand. That was a sell signal. The market is down. However, I can see that the market has reacted very dangerously today, and that's the, I think this is due to the news. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so just a second guys. Okay, let me check my connectivity right now. Okay, just a second please.